my name is Cassie and I am the children's programmer at the Amy Sanders Library. Today we will be using dish soap to create a reaction between milk and food coloring. And the first thing we will need to do is make sure you have the different supplies. You will need milk, food coloring, a shallow dish, a cup for your soap, and of course the dish soap. And I recommend also having Q-tips, and I'll let you know what you do with the Q-tips in a few seconds. The first thing we will do is we will pour the milk into the dish. Okay, and the next thing we will do is we are going to place different drops of food coloring into the milk. Whoops. And I'm not sure if I said this, but you do need to make sure your milk is room temperature. That will help this experiment actually work well. And then the next thing we will do is pour some dish soap into the cup. And we will use the Q-tips to dip into the dish soap and make sure we have some on the Q-tip. And now what I'm going to do is create the reaction. Okay, so if Miss Joy, can you see Miss Joy? Okay, you can. So okay, did you see how that happened? Let's do green. Whoops, there it goes. Do the red. I almost think I should have just put one drop of each color so it would react better, but that's okay. But as long as you can see that a reaction did happen between the milk and food coloring and the dish soap. Okay, so did you see the colors move all over the plate? If you did, the secret ingredient is the fat in the milk. And you can do this anytime you would like. And that's about it for this little program. Thank you.